Now we're going to look at naming ionic compounds. And basically you name them in the same order, the positive one first, and then the last one. If they have a polyatomic ion, you just use that polyatomic ion name. If it's an element, if the second one is an element, you use an "-ide" ending. So for example, this one has just elements. So the first element, and then for the last name I use the brom, but then I change the ending to "-ide." Br is bromine, but when it's a negative ion I change it to "-ide." Let's try some other examples that we just did. These are the formulas we wrote a minute ago. So we're just going to name them in order. And then I kind of gave you the names here. PO4 is phosphate. Same order. And so it'll always be, because the first one is always the positive ion, it will always be the metal. So it'll always be metal, then non-metal, or polyatomic ion. "-ide" ending for just the element. Now this one's different. We know it has a +2 charge. I was told that there. The Roman number goes in between here. It goes with the copper, so it's copper 2. And we told you the name here, but if you weren't sure, you would say, wow, that has a lot of letters there. That must be a polyatomic ion. And look it up if you don't know it right away. So